Kia Sportage is equipped with auto headlights feature that automatically turns the headlights on or off depending on the surrounding light conditions. When enabled, the system uses a light sensor to detect the ambient brightness and turns the headlights on at night. If you're experiencing issues with your auto headlights, for example, if they don't turn off in the daylight, replacing the light sensor might solve your problem. The auto light sensor is located on the top center of the dashboard, close to the windshield. It's a dome-shaped component. To avoid any electrical issues or accidental short circuits, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. This will ensure no power is running through the system while you work on the sensor. Next, use a small plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry off the sensor from the dashboard. You will see the auto light sensor attached by a small electrical connector. Gently unplug the connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it out. Now it's time to install the new sensor. Reconnect the electrical connector by pushing it firmly into the sensor. Then press it down back into the dashboard until it clicks into place. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Once connected, start your car and test the automatic headlights. Make sure they turn on and off properly based on the surrounding light conditions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.